Hi, welcome. I'm at 5120 Salerno Street in Ave Maria, Florida. It's a beautiful home with 3 bedrooms plus den, 3 full bathrooms on 2,341 square feet and a 2-car garage. So let's go and check it out. Remember, for your real estate needs to call me over here. I am Marta Vale with Realty One Group MVP. Let's go. So this is 5120 Salerno Street. Here, this way is the way towards Roma Street, and then you just turn right towards the center of town. This is the other side of the street, and this way you go towards the clubhouse. So you see there's beautiful landscaping, quite a bit of space over here between the houses. And this is a house, like I said, 3 bedrooms plus den, beautiful elevation with these stones. Like quite a few people have said, it's very Mediterranean looking, very model home-like. You will see in a moment. So there's a Ring doorbell. It's all tiled throughout with these beautiful tiles. Lots of upgraded light fixtures, like this one greets you right away. Huge 12-foot ceilings and really pretty. Here you have a sitting area which you can make into a formal living room. Very large chandeliers, large and lots of windows. This is the dining room. Look what a great effect this has. Wow, really pretty. This is a bookcase right here. And then as you go through, you see the family room. To the left over here is the pantry. And then here the kitchen. Upgraded cabinets. New refrigerator from last year. Pendant lighting here, chandelier with the dining area, the small breakfast area there. Lots of windows. Do you see all those windows? What a beautiful view. Really pretty. Here the family area. Lots of light. Look again, the chandelier, high ceilings. All this light coming in. Really beautiful. So over here is the master bedroom. Really pretty. Tray ceiling, recessed lighting over there. And here, what a beautiful view also with this tree. Really restful. This is in Maple Ridge in Ave Maria, so you have access to the clubhouse. You have 2 walk-in closets here, and these walk-in closets have custom closets here. Let me show it. Really nice, lots of space. Also over here, I should open the other side. Organization. And then here the master bathroom, you have a dual sink, beautiful light fixtures, you have a tub over here, and then a separate shower over here, and the water closet back there. Really pretty. Now we go to the den. Here you see again, beautiful large island. So like there are 4 stools here. And there's under cabinet lighting, beautiful backsplash also. Really a model-like home. Your large pantry. And this house has over here a full bathroom, and here's the den. So here's the 3rd bathroom, so you can use the den like a bedroom. You have the full access to the full bathroom right away here. Beautiful undermount sink, also comfort height. And it has a double door. It does not have a closet. Very pretty. Here it's being used like an office, so you can use it like an office. You can turn it into a bedroom. Again, a beautiful light fixture, lots of recessed lighting here as well. tall ceilings. And then over here, we have the 2 bedrooms that are connected with a Jack and Jill bathroom. There's a little bit space here as well, with floating shelves and cabinets. Also really pretty. So this here is one of the bedrooms. And this one also has the custom closets. And then here the Jack and Jill bathroom, also with an upgraded comfort height. And then here, this is a tub and shower tied to the ceiling. Really pretty and also really meticulously maintained, as you see. This is another, it's used as a playroom, but it's another bedroom. Also again, extra recessed lighting. This one does not have the closet, the custom closets, sorry. This is here the laundry room with the upgraded cabinets, a sink, and also the path towards the garage. It's a 2-car garage with overhead storage and also some shelves over here on the side. So let me show you now the outside. So here's the lanai. In this floor plan, the lanai is a little bit smaller, but here the pavers were extended. So you could add, for example, a cage here. You have a beautiful space here. Again, even here, really beautiful lighting and floodlights. Lots of really nice upgrades here in this house. Lots of space between these 2 houses. Beautiful landscaping. Here the lake. Really pretty. So let me show you the other side. Also, this tree is really nice. Oops. There was some I think an aminga that just flew away out of that tree. So also here you have a lot of space in between the houses because this lot is a little bit pie-shaped, so you see how they're actually like a little bit further away from each other in the back. So please reach out to me with any questions about this house or any other at this number over here. I'm Marta Valle with Realty One Group MVP, and I look forward to welcoming you in Ave Maria. Thank you and God bless you.